Oh god.
When are we starting?
I don't know. Wait.
No, I have everything but Oreo and M&M.
Alright, so hello. This is day 2 of camping. Maggie's up there. And Zay's right here.
When are we starting? Oh,
I
right
already started.
right. Oh, okay. Why are you
Shalaine's
dancing?
here.
Why are you dancing?
Hi!
Okay,
We were figuring out what kind of cupcake we would be listening to. Motos will intensifies.
I'm everything except Oreo and M&M.
I'm the heart one. Can't read
But
that.
mostly velvet. Mostly
So
velvet. But everything else as well.
Seems
Everything but Oreo
God.
and M&M. Got it?
then we get to go.
Everything but Oreo
outside.
and M&M.
We're at a camp place, and we have sweets
I have
over
bad
there, over here. So today's just another day.
Cosplay! No! Get it away!
Yes, you look so cute.
Hey, motherfucker. Hey. Come on! Shut up, Gamsey.
Here. Oh wait, right.
Now Jenna's the Gamsey.
Jenna's the Gamsey.
No.
Hey Jenna, anything you have to say about the horns? Jenna, I hope you know what those represent.
Yes, I know what they represent.
Oh
Homestead trash. That's it. Yeah.
Jenna, give me the eyebrows. Give me that. Jenna, give me the eyebrows. Oh no.
Hey. Oh, it's a cool motorcycle wheel outside.
That's very serious. Super serious.
Maggie! Maggie!
Maggie, I'm vlogging.
Mine.
Come out.
If I open my eyes wide,
Those are your new eyes.
Shalane, just don't forget what they represent.
no.
Shalane! Hello, Jenna.
Anything you have to say about today? Yeah. Say.
I'm the only one that didn't get sunburned. Fuck my life.
On my shoulders.
Here you go, Jenna.
My shoulders. And on her face, and it makes her look like she's blushing all the time. And Maggie got sunburned somewhere, I'm pretty sure. What's up with the camera? Oh, it's because of my phone case. One sec. Okay.
It's like, hey, double vlogging.
Double
I didn't
vlogging!
get to read that. I didn't get to read that.
What? The,
Oreo.
And yeah, basically today is just another day. And what does AF mean? I don't know what that meant.
As
Can we go down to
Probably! Because it's set on my camera, so it's like vlogging as fuck. You look so traumatized. Tell me your secrets. My horns! This isn't how horns work. Just so you know.
Definitely not how horns work. Definitely not how horns work.
Alright, I'm
They're
gonna end
only
this.
there for one thing.
Zoom in, Lindsay. Zoom it.
Wait, can I put the horns there?
Will it actually work?
Okay.
Okay, well that was a vlog.
Yep, okay, end of vlog time. Bye! Bye! Maggie, say bye-bye.
Bye.
She just